Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial, and today we are going to learn how you can create a WordPress website with Vultr VPS hosting, and we will use CyberPanel control panel, which comes with a very easy to use interface, and it has OpenLiteSpeed support, which will make your website really fast. So let's see how we can do that. First thing you have to do is check the description and open this link. It is my website where I have posted all the steps that we are going to follow in this video. And if there is any future update or changes in this tutorial, it will also be posted here. You can also get a special offer for Vultr right now. If you want to use it, you can do that. And if you scroll down, you will see more information about this tutorial and some codes that we will need to use. So please first open this website so that you can follow this tutorial properly. Okay, so I will just scroll up, and after signing up, all you have to do is click on sign up here. If you do not know how to create a Vultr account, it's really easy. Just claim your offer and you will can see step-by-step process here. It's really simple. Okay, so once you create your Vultr account, you will see an interface like this here. Click on this plus icon here and click on deploy new server. Here, select this option, cloud compute, and we will use the high frequency one. This gives you the best performance. Now scroll down and select your server location, which will be closest to your audience. Then scroll down and in server image, go to marketplace apps. Here, search for CyberPanel. Select it and scroll down. Here we will use the $6 per month plan. If you want to use the $5 per month plan, then you will have to here select the regular performance. It will be $5 per month. But I would recommend you to select the $6 per month plan. This extra dollar is worth the performance you will get. For normal WordPress websites, this $6 per month plan can easily host small 3 to 4 websites. For it can also handle a WooCommerce website, but if you have a lot of products and a lot of traffic, then I would recommend you to at least use this 2 GB plan for WooCommerce websites. This can also work and you can upgrade later if you want. So let's scroll down and I will turn this auto backup option off, and you can see the price will decrease, and we do not need this extra features right now. If you want, you can enable them later also. So in the SSH keys, I will skip this right now. We can add the this also later. And in server hostname and label, it is really important. So in server hostname, put it like this: server dot yourdomain.com. In server hostname, please remember to not use only your domain.com, else CyberPanel will not allow you to create website with that same domain. It's a bug, they did some update and it's an issue. So please put it like this: server.yourdomain.com, and then click on deploy now. So you will see this message: server added successfully and the status is currently installing. It will take like 5 to 10 minutes for the installation process to be completed. So just wait, the status will automatically change to running. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes and you can see the status has changed to running. Then click on this server instance, and you will also see this notice that please note your server may still be finishing. So to see the progress, click on this view the console. You can see still there is some process going on. So all you have to do is just wait, and it will take few more minutes. The installation will be complete. Okay, it seems the installation process is complete, and you will notice the messages will stop scrolling. Just hit enter to verify. You will see this message that server login. Username will be root. You can see the username here, and this is the password. Paste the password. Click on this option here. Then you will see this clipboard option. Paste your password here and then click on paste. You will not see any change here, but do not worry. First hide this option, then press enter, and we have logged in successfully. Okay, so now we need to first let's update this. See if any update, just press Y and hit enter. Now CyberPanel will automatically check if there is any update. So there is no update here. And now we need to update our CyberPanel control panel. For that, go to WordPress website, click on this option. We have to copy this code and again click on this option, clipboard, paste this command, click on paste, hide this, and hit enter. So this will check if there is any minor update available with CyberPanel. Press again enter to verify. So if there is any minor update or anything, it will completely update the CyberPanel to the latest version that is available. It is really recommended, and actually it is mandatory to use this update process, else some of the bugs will be present and you will not be able to create your website properly. Okay, the upgrade process is complete. Now we will need to find our login information. So to log into CyberPanel, you will see the URL here. Select it and open it in a new tab. Ignore this warning here. Click on proceed. And here the username will be admin. And for password, we need to use this command. Again, show this option, go to clipboard, type sudo space. I will also copy, put this command on my website so you can easily copy it from there. Click on paste, hide this option and hit enter. So you will see this is the username of our control panel. There is no option to copy it from here directly. So open a notepad and manually copy this password. Now copy this and go to here, paste this password here and click on sign in. Okay, there's a wrong password. Let me verify it again. Okay, so we have managed to log in to our CyberPanel control panel here. And the first thing we will do is go to user, click on view profile and modify user. Select admin account. Here you can change your name, and most important thing is to update your email ID. Okay, and then change the password. Click on generate, then copy this password and here replace it and click on use. I would not recommend you to use the second factor authentication, because if you lose access to it or something goes wrong, then it becomes very hard to recover. So keep the security level to high, then click on modify user. Okay, so the admin use email and password has been changed. Now let's create our website. Go to website here, click on create website, select the default package owner, and type your domain name here, enter your email, select the latest version of PHP, then just select this option here. We will enable SSL and these features later after updating the DNS records. And do not take this option. Click on create website. Okay, our website has been created. We can view our website from here. Go to list websites, and from here go to manage, scroll down. Now this is the WordPress option. So first let's go back to my website and see what all steps we have completed. So we have completed sign up, installing CyberPanel, updating, and now let's install the WordPress and then we will set up the DNS. Click on this option. Fill all the details required, and this will be the username and password for your WordPress login. And do not enter anything here if you do not want to install WordPress in a directory. So it will be like your domain.com/blog, something like that. So if you want your website to be like your domain.com, then do not enter anything here. Just click on install now. Okay, so our WordPress is also installed successfully, and please make sure to follow the instruction on this website. If you do not, you may see error. Normally, if you do not update it properly and set up it, then you will see a 404 error here. So make sure to follow all the instructions given on the website. Now let's go back here. Let's go to website and go to list websites. So here you will go to manage, our file manager. Let's go to public HTML. You can see that the WordPress files are here. So it means our WordPress is installed successfully. And now let's set up the DNS. So now we have to set up DNS and verify DNS is working. And then we can issue SSL and set up email and other things. For that, go to DNS here. Click on create name servers. Here, enter your domain. In first name server, enter ns1.yourdomain.com. Copy this. Here, enter it in second domain and change it to ns2. In IP address, this IP address we need. You can also get it from Vultr here. Click on this copy option and paste it here. Okay, make sure there are no extra spaces or anything. Okay, then click on create name server. You will see this message, the name servers has been created successfully. And now let's copy this and let's verify if our records are present or not. Click on this option, add delete record, then select your domain here. You should see the records are present here. If it is not, then it will be an issue, but it should be present there normally. Now let's update the DNS records. For that, go to the domain registrar website. So for example, I'm using Namecheap. You may be using GoDaddy or some other domain registrar. So the process will be slightly different. You can go to Google and search for your domain registrar, how to add glue records, or I will update the information on my website for some of the known registrar. like GoDaddy, Google Domains, and other registrars I have access to. Now I will show you how to do it with Namecheap. For that, go to log into your Namecheap account, go to dashboard here, then you will see the domain. Click on manage option here and go to advanced DNS. Scroll down and you will see this option, personal DNS server. Here click on add name server, select it, select NS1 and paste your IP here. So this is our IP. I will paste it here, then click on done. Again, make sure there are no extra spaces or anything. Again, click here. Now select NS2, paste the IP address and click on done. Okay, so you will see this message, name server successfully updated. You can also search here. Click on standard name servers and then search. So you will see, let's see if this is our IP or not. Okay, so these are old records because before creating this tutorial, I was doing some experiments. So you will see the new IP here. You should see the IP present here. Okay, now all you have to do is go to domain here, scroll here, go to the name server section, select custom DNS and paste. Sorry, let's go here and copy this ns1.yourdomain.com and again paste it here, this time ns2. Okay, so these name servers records we just created in CyberPanel, so make sure to paste them here without any extra spaces, then click on save. Okay, so you will see this message, DNS server update may take 48 hours to take effect. So let's go back to our control panel here. I will show you some more options and here on my website. So the next step was to verify DNS. So let me show you how you can verify if your domain name servers have been updated. Here is this website. Let's go to this website here and type your domain name here. Then click on search. So you can see this is still pointing to my old server IP, and after the domain name server update process is complete, you will see the new IP address. So ideally it will take like 30 minutes or 1 hour, and if you are still not able to, if you see the new IP is here, but in your browser when you try to visit your website, for example like this, you will see that the website is not loading or it will be pointing to the old server. So that's because of the caching. So you will have to clear caching, and you can try with a different browser. Like if you're using desktop, you can try visiting your website on mobile and see if you can see the WordPress sample website, and that's basically it. So it will be automatically done after a few hours. It can take up to 3 to 4 hours also. So you can try a different browser. And okay, so it's complete till here. Now I will show you how to issue SSL and the email. Let's go here and you will see the SSL option is here. Click on manage SSL, select your domain name here, and then you will see the issue SSL option. But this will not work till the domain name server upgrade process is complete. For the SSL to be issued, your domain must be pointed to your server IP. So try this after 30 minutes or 1 hour, or when you see that in the DNS checker website that the record is pointing to the correct IP. Okay, it's that simple. It will automatically issue SSL. It is a very easy process. Now for email, you will see this option here. Again, the options are very simple and self-explanatory. It's not complicated. You will see this option of create email here. then select your domain. You can enter your username like admin or contact or anything you would like at the rate yourdomain.com. Then generate a password and then create email, and then you can access your email from here. Access web email server. Okay, so here you will have to use the email account and password you just created here. Now, if for some reason you are able to receive emails but not send emails, it is because the Vultr VPS provider has blocked the port 25. You can also see I have mentioned it in the FAQ here. So for that, we can use a external email service provider, which is recommended. You can see again, I have posted this here. So this links will be updated as I will create these tutorials too. So the recommended method for email is to keep it separate from your hosting server, so that in case your hosting server goes down or there is an issue with the hosting server, your emails will not be affected. So I will soon create this tutorial and the link will be updated and you will be able to follow this tutorial from here. So that's an important thing to note. For securing your CyberPanel, I will have to create another tutorial because it will be a lengthy process with many steps. So the basic things you need to take care of is go to the security section here, click on firewall, and make sure the status is set to on here. If it is set to off for some reason, by default it is set to on. Click on this play icon here and it will turn on the firewall. So that's it guys for this tutorial. I hope you found it useful and you are able to create your WordPress website on Vultr high frequency VPS with CyberPanel control panel here. And again, so that's it guys for this video. I will see you in the next video.